जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 9th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that I also take birth. So now whichever the birth I take and whatever the body I take, every body is Divya Mangala Vigraham. It is divine body. And there is no any kind of dosham, contamination and flaw in that body. Not only that, every activity that I perform in every of my avataram is also, it is a divine activity. There is no contamination in that activity. Now, even if you remember just any one of my avataram, and from that avataram, any one of my activity, if you remember, if you keep on meditating upon those two things, and if you keep on understanding the essence of it, that itself becomes such a powerful mantra, and make sure that you are relieved from the clutch and the cycle of this birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us a very easiest means to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. That easiest means is just let us pick whatever the avataram that we like, and from that avataram, whatever the activity that Paramatma has performed, whichever that we like, let us pick that one and start remembering every day. For an example, from Sri Krishna avataram, when Kubja, who has 3 bends in her body and gave Chandanam to Krishna Paramatma, did a small amount of seva to Krishna Paramatma. At that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma put his legs on Kubja's legs and put his fingers under the cheek and extended Kubja and made her beautiful woman of the entire world. Krishna Paramatma blessed Kubja with beauty of the body and the health of the body. Not only that, beauty of the manas and the health of the manas. Not only that, beauty and healthy spirituality. Such a big, huge amount of benefits were given by, fruits were given by Sri Krishna Paramatma to Kubja just for a small Chandana Seva. This activity we can just remember every day. Like that, whichever the activity, whichever the avataram we all like, let us now decide and start practicing, remembering that, so that we are practicing now Krishna Paramatma, whatever is teaching today. Like that, let us start practicing Krishna Paramatma's teachings, and let us try to repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tatvatah tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti Sorjuna. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, Keep on performing all your activities as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you belong to me and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimadbhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimadbhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the process of Srushti to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, when Satvika Ahankaram combines with Rajasa Ahankaram, that is what the mixture brings out all the sensory organs and its own predominant devatas, deities. Every organ has its own adhisthana devata. O Narada, so from this mixture of Satvika and Rajasa Ahankaram, there comes ears and the skin, eye, nose, tongue. These are the Jnanendriyas, and every of this Jnanendriya has its own predominant devata, adhisthana devata. Like ear, it has adhisthana devata is sides, and skin, its adhisthana devata is Vayu. Eye, its adhisthana devata is Surya. And nose, its adhisthana devata is Varuna. Tongue, its adhisthana devata is Aswini devatas. Like this, these 5 Jnanendriyas and its own adhisthana devata comes out from the combination of Satvika and Rajasa Ahankaram. And then 5 Karmendriyas, those are mouth, hands, legs, passage of stool, passage of urine. These are 5 karmendriyas. These 5 karmendriyas has their own adhisthana devatas as Agni, Indra, Vishnu, Mitra, Prajapati. And then Manas. Manas has adhisthana devata as Chandra. Like this, 5 karmendriyas, 5 jnanendriyas and Manas. Total 11 indriyas and 11 adhisthana devatas comes out from the combination of Satvika Ahankaram and Rajasa Ahankaram. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma giving the description of Srishti, the process of Srishti to Narada, the same thing was communicated by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. Same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and the other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He lokaha srunuta prasuti marana vyadhehe chikitsamimam yogajñāha samudaharanti munayo yām याज्ञवल्क्यादयः अन्तर्ज्योतिः अमेयमेकम् अमृतं कृष्णाख्यम् आपीयताम् तत्पीतं परमौषधम् वितनुते निर्वाणम् आत्यन्तिकम् कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम् कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 9th श्लोक. जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन. जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.